Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Microsoft Edge web browser window capture in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see your main OBS workspace with all the familiar panels and controls. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. Make sure Microsoft Edge is already open or running in the background on your computer. This is crucial because OBS needs to detect Edge as an active window in order to capture it. If Edge isn't running, OBS won't be able to find it in the list of available windows, so take a moment to launch Edge if you haven't already. With Edge running, direct your attention to the Scenes panel in OBS. You'll typically find this in the bottom left section of your interface. Click on the plus icon next to Scenes to create a new scene. In the dialog box that appears, type Microsoft Edge as your scene name. This helps you organize your sources and makes it easy to identify what this scene contains. Once you've named it, click OK to create the scene. Next, look at the Sources panel, which is located just below or next to your Scenes panel. Click the plus icon here to add a new source. A menu will pop up showing various capture options available in OBS. From this list, select Window Capture. This source type is specifically designed to capture individual application windows, which is exactly what we need for Edge. A new window will appear asking you to name your source. You can rename it as Edge Browser or something similar that makes sense to you. This naming convention helps keep your sources organized, especially when you're working with multiple captures. After naming it, click OK to proceed. Now you'll see the Properties window for your window capture source. Here, locate the Window drop-down menu at the top. Click on it and you'll see a list of all currently running applications on your system. From this list, select Microsoft Edge. Make sure you choose the correct Edge window if you have multiple instances running. Once you've selected it, click OK to confirm your choice. Your Edge window should now appear in the OBS preview panel. You can resize and reposition it as needed by clicking and dragging the red border around the capture. This allows you to frame exactly what you want your viewers to see from your browser window. And there you have it. You've successfully added Microsoft Edge as a window capture in OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.